Just when the Nigerian government thought they had closed the chapter by sentencing the IPOB leader to life in prison, a brand new drama is unfolding thousands of miles away in the heart of the United States. So, the big question on everyone's mind is, after the court's judgment, is IPOB still talking about peace, or are we about to see massive protests? What will really happen next? Stick with me, because we are going to unpack everything. First, let's quickly remind ourselves of the big event that started it all. On November 20th, 2025, a federal high court in Abuja found Nnamdi Kanu guilty of all 7 terrorism-related charges brought against him. The judge, Justice James Omotosho, sentenced him to life imprisonment. Now, what were these charges? The court said Kanu, as the leader of IPOB, committed acts of terrorism by making broadcasts to intimidate the